Don't download Drift Enterprise Marketing I app before watching this. Before you download Drift Enterprise Marketing I, here's what most teams get wrong. It's not just a lead generation tool. Drift at the enterprise level provides iChat, account-based marketing automation and pipeline insight, but without strategy, results can fall flat. Step 1. Define your marketing objectives. Decide if the focus is on capturing leads, accelerating deals, or improving customer experience. Most people get this wrong by deploying I without clear TPIs, which waste time and resources. Step 2. Configure I workflows. Personalize chatbots, trigger automated messages, and prioritize high-value accounts. The surprising truth is, generic setup often leads to low engagement and missed opportunities. Step 3. Integrate with CRM and analytics platforms. Drift works best when connected to your sales and marketing stack. Without integration, insights remain fragmented. Step 4. Analyze data and optimize. Monitor conversion rates, lead quality, and pipeline velocity. Teams that ignore these metrics fail to maximize ROI. The upside: proper Drift Enterprise I use can increase lead engagement by 30%, accelerate sales cycles, and improve alignment between marketing and sales teams. So should you download it? Yes, but only if your team is ready to define clear goals, configure I correctly, integrate systems, and actively act on insights. For smaller teams, standard Drift plans may suffice. Subscribe for tips on leveraging I to transform enterprise marketing.